AI is not something to be feared, but it's a tool that can be used to better understand, that needs to be better understood, and has the potential to transform our lives for the better. AI enables us to make use and sense of massive amounts of data that has historically been beyond human capacity. It allows us to add intelligence and nuance to automated systems that will dramatically improve humanity, areas like healthcare and agriculture. This then allows humans to do what they do best: take this information, put it into context with sensitivity, to strategize and act in a timely manner. AI is a supercharger for humanity. When AI is better than humans, it makes humans better. AI will automate repetitive tasks that don't require constant human judgment or creativity, which frees us up to explore and focus on fresher, newer ideas. AI will enable us to be even more creative and more idea-driven, which I personally find incredibly exciting. It allows us to embrace the generative aspects of human nature so we can run faster with ideas and build better and more powerful solutions to the world's biggest problems.